Hi guys, today I will be sharing 3 ingredients coconut ice snowball. For the ingredients we need 4 cups of desiccated coconut, 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar or icing sugar, 1 can or 395 grams of condensed milk. For the food coloring, this is optional. If you don't want to put colors on your snowball, that's totally fine. So to begin, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to combine everything. So in a bowl, first, combine the desiccated coconut and the icing sugar. Give this a mix just to make sure that everything is being well incorporated. And to this, we're going to add the condensed milk. First, the start, just use a spatula to mix everything. But as the mixing progresses, you need to knead this a little bit so everything comes together. So I'll be using my hand to lightly knead. So this is ready once our dough, I'll call this a dough, comes together. So at this point, you can start rolling this into a ball, but for me, I want to color this so it's more festive. So I'm just gonna dump this into a parchment paper, form it into a log, and then divide this into 5 equal pieces as much as possible. I want to use 5 different colors of food coloring. So the color will depend on you as well. So put each dough into a separate bowl. Then from here we can start coloring the dough. So here I'm using electric green. So the colors that I use is electric green, electric orange, electric blue, tulip red, and electric yellow. Americolor. So just continue mixing this until the color is well incorporated. That's one. And then this one, I'm going to color this electric yellow. It's best to use gel food coloring for this. Now I've colored all my dough. It's time to divide each dough into smaller balls. You also need extra desiccated coconut. So here I'm forming the dough into a small log, and then I'm going to divide this equally into smaller pieces, just like so. If you want to put filling inside the balls, you can do so. Then once you form the ball, roll this into desiccated coconut. And continue doing this process until you finish up with all the doughs or the snowball dough. So this is the green. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is so easy to make and the taste is really good. You can do this with your children as well. It's a fun activity to do with kids. And just to show you what it looks like, close up of how it looks when you cut the snowball in half. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And I'll see you again next week. Bye. Oh, you can also put this in a jar if you want to give this as a present.